The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tulsa Police Department. The Tulsa Police Department has spotted the abductor inside her 2018 Ford Explorer SUV and is currently joining forces with Julia and Violet. The Tulsa Police Department is actively in the research of her identity, but it is still unknown to this time. The description goes as follows. She is a white female, 15 years old, has brown hair and red-orange eyes. She was last seen wearing a lime/yellow striped shirt, black shorts and brown shoes. The abductor took 2 children earlier yesterday from Austin and Houston, and are currently on their way to Little Rock at this time. The police is setting up roadblocks near Broken Arrow to try to stop the suspect. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. Civil danger for the state of Oklahoma. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma Emergency Management. The car of the abductor has successfully been stopped by the Tulsa Police Department. After that, the abductor claimed that he is in possession of a nuclear device and will detonate it in the next 5 minutes. The police is trying to solve the situation. As of precaution, U.S. Route 64 and Interstate 44 have been closed on both sides until further notice. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The abductor has detonated a nuclear device and blew up most of Tulsa and Broken Arrow. The estimated death toll is around 400,000 people, and it is feared that more deaths will be occurring. The abductor, the 2 abducted children, and the 2 girls have teleported away before impacts, and it is unknown at this time where the abductor and the 2 children are. The girls have been spotted in Ontario, Canada. The abductor has also blew up other cities. These cities include Norwin, Oklahoma City, Fayetteville, Wichita, Kansas City, Jefferson City, Columbia and St. Louis. All residents within a 500-mile radius of these cities are asked to go inside a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will cause certain death. Take food for at least 14 days, water for at least 14 days, medical. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The nuclear fallout has been cleared, and the reconstruction of the cities that were destroyed have started. It is safe to leave your shelters. The abductor and the 2 children haven't been seen for the last 14 days. The girls entered the city of New York and are searching for the 2 abducted children. Stay tuned to local radio as the situation develops. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Portland Police Department. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the abductor was found near the city of Portland and police is trying to save the children. Also, the identity of the abductor has been identified. The abductor is now known as Chloe. Chloe is a 15-year-old white female, 5 feet 5 inches tall, has brown hair and red-orange eyes. She was last seen wearing a lime/yellow striped shirt, black shorts and brown shoes. She is known for abducting 2 children in the state of Texas. One is Julian Amston, a 14-year-old white male, 5 feet 3 inches tall, has blonde hair and green eyes. He was last seen wearing a white shirt with the GSR logo on it, dark red shorts and red shoes. He was abducted in Austin, Texas. The second child is 14-year-old Alex Brovkin, a white male, 5 feet 4 inches tall, has black hair and green eyes. He was last seen wearing a green sweater, black shorts with green stripes and green and black sneakers. Alex was abducted in Houston, Texas. Stay tuned to local radio for more updates as they become available, The following message is transmitted at the request of the Portland Police Department. At 7:35 p.m., it has been confirmed that a child has been abducted from his home. The child is believed to be 13-year-old Dean Cruxon, a white male, 5 feet 2 inches tall, has blonde hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a dark green sweater with a black t-shirt underneath it, black shorts and rainbow-colored shoes. The child was taken away near the Edward Payson Park. The abductor is confirmed that she is the same abductor who abducted the other 2 boys. The abductor was seen driving in a stolen black Nissan Navara. The children are believed to be in extreme danger. Do not approach the suspect, as she is armed and extremely dangerous. Stay tuned to local radio or television outlets, or other news sources for the latest information.